Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. SNAP monthly benefits will be changing in a big way for millions of Americans. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer have finally agreed on a new timeline for the new social spending bill. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video for the latest stimulus information. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel.
$4.50 a gallon, and that means that average Washington drivers will be forced to shell out $750 more to fill up this year than they did in 2021. It's even worse for West Coast truckers who are facing diesel costs as high as $6.60 a gallon.
According to a Democratic aide, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer met to discuss possible legislation to reduce gasoline prices as inflation poses an increasing political threat ahead of the midterm elections. Many leaders are hoping to pass legislation dealing with gas prices before the end of May, but would need Republican cooperation in the Senate to do so. The GOP is pushing for expanded fossil fuel production domestically, something progressive Democrats may be unable to support. Rising prices for everything are a top concern for many voters, and Democrats already face a tough road to holding on to control of the House and Senate in the November election. The Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation is estimated to have risen 6.7% in March from a year earlier. The average price for a gallon of regular gasoline is $4.13 a gallon. It is up from $2.88 a gallon a year ago. Now, the American Rescue Plan has provided an additional $37 million to boost a program for elderly citizens who might need extra help with groceries and food each month. The Commodity Supplemental Food Program provides low-income elderly individuals with supplemental nutritious food from the U.S. Department of Agriculture each month. According to the federal government, the monthly packages of food do not include whole meals and meal packages, but rather supply supplemental food products that are good sources of nutrients. The Commodity Supplemental Food Program, which is also known as CSFP, supplies a variety of food like grains, oatmeal, corn grits, beans, peanut butter, canned chicken, beef, and canned low-sodium vegetables like corn and peas. So friends, in order to be eligible for the program, an individual must be 60 years or older and must have a household income at or below 130% of the Federal Poverty Income Guidelines, which is published by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The income guidelines are below for the 48 states and District of Columbia. Each state has its own guidelines for the program participation and overall eligibility. In order to apply, you will need to contact your state's distributing agency. This program is in addition to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program benefits. This means it is possible to receive SNAP benefits and still receive food packages as part of the CSF program. This means it is possible to receive SNAP benefits and still receive food packages as part of the CSFP program. With the additional stimulus relief bills, around 760,000 elderly individuals now receive food packages from the CSFP program. Food stamps have been around for almost 60 years. The program is federally funded but administered by the states, providing eligible low-income individuals and families assistance to avoid food instability. It is the largest food assistance program in the United States, which saw participation soar by nearly 6 million during the crisis. It is now serving over 41 million Americans. Prior to the crisis, roughly 2 out of 5 beneficiaries were working families. More than half of the households that receive SNAP assistance are families with children. The dollar value of benefits is determined by the size of a household minus a portion of their own resources that they are expected to use for purchasing food. So generally, it's 30% of the household's net monthly income, with certain necessities such as a dependent care, medical expenses, and shelter deducted. According to the USDA Food and Nutrition Service, currently the average SNAP benefit per month is $239. But the allotment ranges from an average of $193 in New Hampshire to $271 in Utah and South Dakota. Then in states in Alaska, recipients on average receive $387, and in Hawaii, $463 a month. Many of our lawmakers have proposed an even larger monthly benefit increase for SNAP recipients. So friends, do you agree with me that SNAP benefits should be increased? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Bumblebee. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, friends. Then comment below this keyword, which is Bumblebee, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Congress is back this week, and they are facing a packed to-do list. There is a lot that lawmakers hope to accomplish before January, when Democrats could lose their House and Senate majorities, and many policies could soon be off the table. Key priorities on the docket include advancing much-needed crisis aid, approving legislation to strengthen the U.S. supply chain, and passing a new version of the Build Back Better bill. For weeks now, the White House has been urging Congress to pass more crisis funding. Lawmakers have been trying to approve this aid, as disagreements appear about how it should be paid for, and a Republican push to add amendments addressing some of their legislative priorities. Several weeks ago, Democrats and Republicans reached an agreement in the Senate on $10 billion in crisis relief, much less than the $22.5 billion that the White House initially requested. This would be paid for using unspent funds that different agencies in the U.S. received as part of last year's American Rescue Plan. Senate Republicans refused to move forward with a vote on the aid unless lawmakers considered a specific amendment. Approving more crisis aid is a major priority for Congress at the moment. Friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for all of you who are watching and who join me here daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away $75 Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. Yesterday's winner of the $75 Walmart gift card is Oscar Hernandez. Congratulations, friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page to claim the gift card and provide me with your email address. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.